Hi, my name is Andrew Fram and I'm Product Manager here at Airflow Developments. Today we're going to talk about the Loovent Eco. With over 40 years of pedigree, the Loovent Eco is the next generation in the Loovent family, taking the latest technologies, producing a thoroughly modern extractor fan. A clean, stylish and modern design which features a wipe-down front cover is common across all model ranges, which includes 230 volt mains, 12 volt SELV models, available with intermittent extraction or DMEV continuous extraction, with a range of features such as pull cords, timer, humidity and motion sensor. There truly is a Loovent Eco for almost any installation. All fans can be landscape or portrait mounted or recessed and surface mounted, with each Loovent Eco sharing the same mounting holes and spigot locations as old Loovent Ecos. It means refitting or replacing your old Loovent with a Loovent Eco keeps reworking to a minimum. The Loovent Eco features a powerful centrifugal fan, which produces up to 31 litres a second, which is enough ventilation for a utility room, bathroom or toilet, as well as high static pressure, which means this fan is great for ducted applications. Adjustments to the Loovent Eco's settings are easily done, and you need to remove the front cover. This can be done by pressing down on these two buttons and pivoting up the front cover. This displays the internal workings of the Loovent Eco. All of the settings of the Loovent Eco can be adjusted with these selections of switches and potentiometers. Different combinations of switches will adjust different things and can be found within your installation guide. These potentiometers can adjust things like humidity and timer if you use the included adjustment tool. With another class-leading feature being the removable module system of the Loovent Eco, you can take the entire fan out without having to remove the casing from the wall. This is great for servicing purposes or for installation purposes. This fan is ideal for new builds or refurbishments, and with safety in mind, the Loovent has been designed to have IPX5 protection, meaning it can be installed in zones 1, 2 or 3 within the wet rooms, as well as a safety cut-off feature which disables the fan when you remove the front cover, preventing accidental injury. All of these great features combined make the Loovent Eco a class-leading product. And if you'd like to find out more about this particular product or any other products that Airflow offer, visit airflow.com.